Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am featuring a community of all ranch homes located on the shores of Lake Wylie. This neighborhood starts in the low 400,000s. Currently, the lender is offering interest rates at 4.9%. The average rates right now are 7%. They are also offering up to $15,000 in closing costs. You have the option to build 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2 to 3 full baths. To find out more on how I can save you hundreds on your monthly mortgage statement with this community, be sure to book a consultation with me. The link is in my bio. Or call me 704-459-7724. Thanks for watching.